So I just surfed the TikTok ad budgets and I'm starting to get a lot more traffic on the website. Just got sale, let's go. Time to set up the TikTok ad account so that we could start running paid ads today and get some orders coming in. The plan today is to create a surf scaling campaign. Hopefully we end up with a big profit tonight. The reason why I'm going for the surf scaling strategy is because it is the best testing and scaling strategy these days. I've been surf scaling on all my stores lately because it really helps me get those low CPMs, CPCs, and CPAs. So I'm going to create a surf campaign now and I'm going to show you how to set it up step by step. In order to run ads, we're gonna need to create a new TikTok ad account, but the great news is TikTok gave me a special link that you and I could both use so that we could get free advertising credit. The link to sign up is in the description. Be sure you guys take advantage of this. This is literally the best time to get started with drop shipping. Okay, so now I'm inside my new TikTok ad account. First, hit the create button and choose custom mode. Next, select website conversions because we want to optimize for sales. I'm gonna rename this to Surf Scale 1. I'm not gonna touch any of these options, so hit continue. Rename this to Ad Group 1 Broad. Set up your pixel and choose Complete Payment as your optimization event. Next, select placements and turn these off. In advanced settings, I'm going to turn off comments and video downloads. For locations, I'm going to choose United States and Canada. Since I'm dealing with a beauty product, I'm only going to target females from the ages 18 to 55 plus. Be sure you target the audience that best fits your product. For interests and behaviors, I'm not going to touch anything here because this is a broad ad group. I want to target as much people as possible, but later on, you're going to see me duplicate this ad group 10 times because half are going to target a broad audience and the other half is going to target by interest and behaviors. We'll talk more about that in a bit. For the daily budget, I'm going to set that at $20, which is the minimum. For day parting, I like to start my ads at 10 a.m. and run them until 12 a.m. Down here, leave it at conversion and maximum delivery, then hit next. Now we're on the ad level. I just set up my custom identity. I put my brand name DeRollPop and uploaded a picture of the logo. Next, I'm going to turn on Smart Creative Ads, which is very important because this is going to allow me to upload multiple videos. So that way TikTok will automatically split test my creatives and push out more ad spend on the high performing videos. Next, I'm going to upload 5 videos and add 3 text lines. Okay, so I uploaded the 5 videos and added 3 text lines. Keep the text nice and simple. For example, this one says get DeRollPop for 50% off plus free shipping. For the call to action, I only like to use the shop now button. Paste your link and then hit submit. Okay, so the first ad group is created, but we're not done yet. I still had to duplicate this ad group 9 more times so that we can have a total of 10 ad groups. The only difference with these ad groups is 5 will stay broad and the other 5 will target specific interests. For example, this ad group is targeting people interested in beauty and personal care. Just set up your own interest on those 5 ad groups depending on your product. Okay, so we officially created the surf campaign. As you can see, we have 10 ad groups. These ad groups are in review right now, but hopefully they start running at 10 a.m. and we end up with a big profit tonight. When these ads start spending, I'm going to be monitoring the results every 3 hours. If I see an ad group performing poorly, I'm going to turn it off for the day. But if I see an ad group getting me low CPM, CPCs, and getting me sales, I'm going to double the daily budget every 3 hours. That is how you surf scale. I'm just going to go hard today and spend the entire budget. I'll be back later tonight to give you guys an update.
15 people on the website right now. Just got my first sale. Got 62 people on the website right now, and I just got a sale. Let's go. Quick refresh check. This ad group isn't doing so well, so I'm gonna turn that on. We got 65 people on the website right now. Just got a sale. This is insane. Holy fuck. We got a few more hours left in this challenge. 230 people on the website right now. Holy shit, guys.